Hey everybody, it's Lady Led. Out trying to get some of this fall planting I wanted to get done. I need to sow some seeds. And so today I was going to finally, since it's mid-September, September 20th. So, and the weather for the last few days really feels like fall. Like it's been so nice. You hear that wind blowing. It's so nice. So I wanted to see if I could get in on some of this growing, right? So I don't know if you know what this is, y'all, but these are seeds from our red mustard greens. The ones that we grew last spring that were all over our back patio. We had them in containers and some people didn't even think they were real. Those red mustard greens. So I've gotten some people asking me, like, where can they find the seeds? And I've seen some in nurseries, but I decided that I want that to be my first giveaway. I want to share some of our seeds. So my very first giveaway is going to be Easley Island red mustard green seeds from our spring 2020 greens. So I'm gonna give away 3 packets of these. So there'll be a chance for 3 winners to get, this is about 2 grams. When you buy a packet of seeds, you normally get about 1 gram, 1.5 grams. I'm gonna give you 2. I am going to send these out to randomly selected winners. So if you want to enter for a chance to win, if you want to be one of the 3 people who are going to take these home, I need you to type yes. Just one word, yes, Y-E-S. Type that in the comments that you would like to enter to win. And in a few days, I'm going to come back and do a random comment picker drawing. And I'm going to pick 3 lucky people to get some of from our garden, red mustard green seeds. So I'm out here planting some today in case you weren't sure how to sow them. I don't do like a broadcast sow like I do for my lettuce. I don't do the sprinkling. Well, I do the sprinkling, but I only sprinkle a few. I've got 12 little cells that I'm going to populate with some seeds. So let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take just a few seeds. Let me show you. Kind of purpley, brownish. I'm going to take 3 and put 3 in each slot. I'm just going to gently tap them down in there. Give them another little quick water. All right, to make sure this goes smoothly, there are some eligibility requirements. The first one is if you want to enter, you must type the word yes, Y-E-S, in the comment. You can write another comment separately, but if you want to make sure you get entered into this giveaway, you need to type the word yes. The next thing, no double entries, of course. Now, the next thing is you do need to claim your prize fairly quickly so I don't give them away. So when I do the announcement video, I'll tell you how many days you have to respond. I'm thinking 7. 7 is fine. But if you don't respond within that time frame, I am going to give them to someone else. The next thing, for this giveaway, because this will be sent in a regular envelope, I can send them to some countries, okay, other than the US. I don't have a comprehensive list. So if you win and you're not in the US, you have to give me time to verify whether or not I can send these to you in an envelope. In other words, I have to find out if I can just go to the post office and get a stamp. If I have to do anything more than that, I won't be able to send them to you. And if you're okay with that, go ahead and enter. If you're not okay with that, then, and you're in another country aside from the United States, then I'm sorry. But I'm willing. I've sent things in envelopes before to the UK, and all I had to do was get a special international stamp. If I can do that for you, then I will. Okay? That is it. So, this is my first giveaway. This is how I'm celebrating 5,500. Actually, now I think I'm up to 5,700 subscribers. I thank you all so much for subscribing. Now, I will be doing more giveaways. So if you're like, I don't want no red mustard green seeds, stay tuned. I got some other stuff for you. So no worries. But if you do want some, this giveaway is for you. And here is a catch that I want to put out there. So I have a certain amount of prizes that I'm going to give. But if I reach 6,000 subscribers before I get through all of my giveaways, I'm going to give away one more extra prize. So right now, I have 5 prizes in mind. And this is the first of 5. But if I reach 6,000 before I'm done with my giveaways, I'm going to give away a 6th prize. So you guys, if you want to help me and you have friends who could use, this information that we're sharing, send them over. All right. So anyway, I'm looking forward to giving you guys some of these red mustard seeds. It's Lady Led, and I'm out.